Okay, making a corsage bow is super easy. This is 2.0mm satin ribbon. It's shiny on both sides. So bring enough out and then make a tail, meaning leave some behind. When I loop it around my thumb, that creates the center. And you'll put the loops on each side. So pull out a little bit, tuck it in, and that'll be your first loop. You hold it with your index finger and twist. Hold it with your middle finger, and then bring it down around to the other side, making the same side's loop. Grab it again, make another loop, about the same size or just a little bit bigger, and do the same on both sides. Keep twisting and holding. So your fingers move up and down in the back. So loop it down, twist, grab it, loop it up, twist, grab it, loop it down, twist, grab it, loop it up. I usually like to do about 5 loops on a side. That makes a nice balanced bow. You may feel all fingers at first. Don't be afraid to try a few times. Once you get the bow the size you want, just cut the streamer off. I always do it on a slant. Kind of make them the same length. Grab a wire, and this is just a very thin floral wire. It's very flexible. Put it through the center from the front. Poke it through. I let it come through my fingers on the other side so I can grab it easy. So pull down, nice and tight, pinch it, and twist. Now you just fluff it out, pulling loops to each side, up and down, until you get the desired shape that you like. You can use any color ribbon that you like. I do like the double-sided satin ribbon because it's more flexible. And that's it. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make a wrist corsage.